Got me feeling some kind of way.
How to become a K-pop idol. 1. Introduction. Ever wondered how to become a K-pop idol? Well, today, I'm going to break down the steps to help you understand the journey to stardom in the K-pop world. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, you've dreamed about becoming a K-pop idol, right? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps and challenges that go into becoming a K-pop idol, so stick around till the end. Step 1. Understand the K-pop industry. K-pop is massive. It's not just about singing and dancing, it's a tough industry with a lot of competition. But if you're passionate, it's possible to make it. Step 2. Training. It's hard work. Before debuting, you have to train. You'll practice singing, dancing, learning languages, and even acting. Training can last 2 to 5 years, or even longer. It's intense, but it prepares you for the spotlight. Step 3. Auditions. Get discovered. To start, you'll need to audition for a company. K-pop companies like SM, YG, and JYP hold auditions. Show them your best skills, whether it's dancing, singing, or your unique personality. Step 4. Life as a trainee. As a trainee, your life will be busy, lots of practice, long hours, and little sleep. But you'll get better each day and learn from the best. Step 5. Create your image. You'll also need to develop an image. Are you the cute member, the fierce leader, or the funny one? Your personality and style matter, so make sure to shine both on and off stage. Step 6. Debut, the big moment. After years of training, you'll finally debut. This is your chance to show the world what you've got. It's exciting but also a lot of hard work. Step 7. Life as an idol, the grind never stops. Once you debut, the work doesn't stop. You'll perform on stage, appear on TV shows, and make music. It's a fast-paced lifestyle, but the fans and the music make it worth it. Becoming a K-pop idol is tough, but if you're dedicated, you can do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more K-pop videos. See you next time.